What's up, guys? We back with another one. We got a Dodge Ram single cab. We're gonna be doing a Crespo molded wing, and then we are gonna go ahead and we're gonna have to repaint the whole bed, because once I mold it onto the bed, I am gonna get into the paint and then sand that. So I'm gonna have to wet sand the whole bed down and then do the body work on the side pieces, tailgate, and then from there we'll have to blend in the paint to the existing paint. So here we go. We got another one in. Still working on the Dodge Ram. Monday will be out for a lift, and then we can get it back, finish it all up, final touches, clean it up, be ready to pick up for the customer. Dodge Ram, single cab, Crespo wing. Pieces there. We are gonna install them now. And we're gonna install the first one here, and then we'll dry fit these to make sure everything lines up good, and then we'll install them, sand it all the way around, get them put in, and then we'll start the body work, fiberglass. Alright guys, I already started on the 3-piece mold. There she is. First coat of primer. I am going to put some guide coat on it, find any pinholes, any imperfections, touch it up with some red spot putty, and then I'll wet sand it all down. Here's the other side. It's looking good. Nice clean edges. It's a little dark. There we go. Alright, here's the wing. Molded Crespo. There she is. Like I said, I'm gonna put some guide coat. I'm gonna block it off, find any imperfections. If I have to put a little bit more filler, if not, some spot putty for some pinholes. And then we'll go ahead and wet sand this whole thing down. Wet sand it all down with like 1,000 grit, everything. And then we'll spray it with some color. Ram is in the garage getting painted. The whole bedside. We are just gonna paint it. This side does have some dents. They didn't want fixed, so we're just gonna paint it how it is. Kind of sucks because you're putting that money into it. Might as well fix the dents, but it all depends on what the customer wants. Nice. So right now it's got about 2 coats. I'm gonna give it one more coat, and then we'll start with the clear. Then we're gonna do 3 coats of clear, medium reducer or hardener. That way it takes a little bit better to cure since it is hot out. But here's just what she's looking like. You can see them dents right there. Other than that, it looks badass. What you think? 3-piece Crespo molded. Looks good. This side's good too. It looks badass with it molded. Almost looks like it came out of factory that way. But all right guys, I'm gonna let it flash off. I'm gonna do one more coat, and then we'll get some we'll get a tack rag, wipe it down, and then we'll go ahead and start the clear. Like I said, 3 coats of clear. All right guys, we're done. It is cured, not 100%. We'll give it 24 hours, but it is cured to the touch. We're gonna pull it out. There is no sun, but obviously we'll be baking tomorrow. And then we'll go ahead and put the tail lights on, put the tail lights, door handle, the camera, hook up the camera back onto here, once you put the tailgate down. Then it's got that metal bracing plate that goes on the inside to get to the handle. Put that together. We'll probably end up washing it up, clean it up a little bit. We'll wash the rims down, clean it up for the customer. Be ready to go. Badass. And yeah, there is going to be some orange peel. Nothing fancy with my garage, but still gets the job done. 3 coats of clear, nice and shiny. And like I said, if you wanted to, it all depends on the customer. We could cut and buff it and leave it like mirror, but if you look at the cab, it does have a lot of orange peel to it. And then like I said, the door doesn't match the cab, so the paint code for this is black, but it has a metallic to it, which is kind of weird. I did do a spray out. Check out the spray out. There you go. You can see it now. It does have a thick metallic to it, but the paint code says it's black. I even looked it up on my paint book and it shows black, and this is nowhere near black. It does have a hint black in it. That's when you look at it. It does have a hint of black, but yeah, when the sun hits it, it's a pretty nice color. It does have that. And I always like doing spray outs. I'll end up putting the code of the paint in the back, so if I ever have to do one again, I'll just pull this out, put it up next to the truck, and see how close we are. That's why I always do a spray out. Let's pull it out, and then I gotta put my Can-Am back in. Stay tuned for the Can-Am. A lot of you guys already probably seen on my Instagram, I did get my Can-Am wrapped. I haven't had time to post a video of it because I've been so super busy, but I will make another video of it, of the wrap, on how it came out and all that. For the price I spent, we'll go from there. I'll make another video of it, of just a Can-Am, for those that have Can-Ams. Alright guys, let's pull her out. Alright guys, there she is. Came out good. Nice and shiny. Just like I said, a cut and buff if you really want that show quality. If not, like this looks good.